Hi everyone, this is Josh once again, and today we will be discussing all about Facebook ads. So let me start sharing my screen. Here we go. In order for you to start with your Facebook ads, you need to open, of course, your Facebook account and create a business manager account, Facebook business manager. In order for you to do that, you just have to type in the URL business.facebook.com. Okay, and then once you're there, it will prompt you to create an account or an ad account. But since we've already done creating one, let me see if I can create another one. Let's try. Let's see. So I already have one. Let me see if I can create. See, it says create a business. So your business account name, for example, let's say I have the VApreneur, I have the professional VAs. Maybe I can create digital jobs PH ad account. Best ad. My name, my business email would be yahoo.com. And let's hit next. Country, of course, you need to put in Philippines. Address, let's just put in the old address. Phone number, website. Let's not put any website for now. Oops, it's necessary. So let's just say, let me put my RochevelleRivera.com site. Confirm your email address. Click the link, send to your email. So let's open my mail. Facebook, there it says confirm your business email. Confirm now. Your email address has been verified. So there you go. We already have a business manager account. Although here, I've created several business manager accounts. We're going to use, let's see. Yeah, let's use this one. By the way, each business manager account has an ad ID that you may need in some of your transactions. You can get them by going into ad accounts, under business settings, by the way, and then go to ad account. Oh, digital jobs doesn't have any ad accounts yet. Oh, we have to create an ad account under this particular business account. So let's create an ad account, request access. So in here, we're given three options. One is to add an ad account, an account that we will be using to create ads, request access to an existing ad account, or create a new ad account. You need a new ad account for your business. Your business will control campaigns and billing for this account. Claiming an ad account moves it into business manager. Create a new ad account. You need a new ad account for your business. So let's create new ad account. Ad account name, so we can try digital jobs PH best. Okay, currency, no payment methods available here. Let's hit create. This ad account will be used for my business. That is for the business account that we've created. Or you can hit another business or client, and then you can select the particular client. In this case, I'll hit my business. And we need to give authorization or permission to myself. First, to manage campaigns, view performance, it's already there automatically, and manage the ad account. And then we have to assign the permission. Nice work. So this is our ad account ID. It has been added to our business manager account. So we already have an ad account. If we're going to click this, assign partners are people, add assets. Okay, let's go back. How do you want? Oh, this is for organizing model. We're not going to do that now. Let's go here under digital jobs page test account again. If you want to add people, by the way, you can just add them here. If you want to give access to people, to your partners, to your employees, or to whoever, you can just add them here. All right, now let's go back. You can see I already have 3 business accounts. And let's go to the digital jobs page. Let me just go ahead and check this one. Let me show you what it looks like. This is the initial one that I created last night for demo purposes, but I wanted you to see how to create it. There you go. And then if we're going to Ads Manager, Ads Manager is where we're going to create the ads. And this button, this one will ask us to create a campaign. A campaign is a series of things that we do in order to hit a certain goal, client's goal. Inside the campaign, there are different ads that we can create. So, for example, one campaign is to increase awareness and increase lead generation for our business. So we can create a campaign, and inside the campaign, for example, let's create one. Oh, there's another campaign. Yeah. And we have to rename it because this is a sample. It's entitled. Initially, we created the first campaign for Digital Jobs PH test. So let's just do Digital Jobs PH. The first one is for lead generation. Let's just see. So you can create different campaigns for different objectives, as I've told you earlier. One is for brand awareness, traffic, conversions. We hit lead generation for this particular one, lead gen. So we're going to hit maybe, let's bring them to conversions. So we have PH test for conversions. There. And then split testing is when we're going to create 2 separate campaigns or 2 separate ads with different copies or with different pictures just to see which one is working best. And of course, whatever ad is working best, we're going to keep that and deactivate the other one. But we're not doing that now. Campaign budget optimization. This is when we allow Facebook to distribute your budget across all the ads that you have. So you may not have control over this one. We're not doing that too for your ads. And your ad set, I'm going to take campaign. I'll update it. I think we're good. These are the choices that we're going to do. Let's hit next. And under each campaign, it's an ad set or a lot of ad sets. Ad sets determine the kind of settings that you're going to use for your ads. For example, it should be the same as your campaign title, Digital Jobs PH Test Conversion ad set 1, for example. Okay, and then conversion will lead to a website, and Facebook tracking pixel is so that we can track the campaigns, but we cannot do this one right now because it needs to bring us to a website, and since we're not using any website in our task, we're not going to discuss this one for now. Conversion window. After clicking the ad, when would the ad be seen again? So that be after 1 day, after 7 days, whatever. And then cost control, you can put in, let's say, $10 a day. Facebook will aim to spend to get the most conversions, and for the average cost to be no more than $10 using the cost cap bid strategy. So for example, this is our campaign cost, $10. When you get charged, show bid strategy. Let's see. Show bid strategy, cost cap, best for getting the most volume, bid cap or target cost. Okay, let's not do that. Delivery type, spend your budget and resources with responsible, dynamic, provide individual assets like image and headlines, and automatically generate optimized creative. Oh, we're not doing that. We're not automatically creating that. Offer, drive more conversions by creating an offer. People can save and get reminders about. An offer is also a kind of ad that we do with click buttons, I say buy buttons, and it brings the customers directly to their website. Oh, there's a daily budget of $20 here. Let me see what's cost control. This is optional. We just put $10 here using the cost cap, the bid strategy in Facebook. I'm not sure what this is for, this amount, but there is another amount here for $20. So let's just use this one. Start date, you need to put in the start date. Let's say today at 8 p.m. and then end date. For example, your ad will run from September 24th to 27th, 12 a.m. Pacific time. Make sure that you set the time properly in creating right before or right upon creating your Facebook, your business manager account, because it determines the time that the ads will follow. Okay. So custom audiences, this is very important, guys, in creating custom audiences. Thus, right now, there are no existing audiences in this account, meaning when you run the ad, it's not going to send it to a group of people. And that's why it's very important that we know how to target our audiences. Okay? So, for example, search existing audiences. Audience, for example, our target market are women, like-minded. I'm looking for a group. Let's see. No matches found. Create new. Custom audience, reach people who have already interacted with your business, and lookalike business. So there are two types of options here. Custom audience is reach people who have already interacted with your business, meaning those who have liked your business page or those who have liked the video that you shared, commented. Lookalike audience are those audience who have this similar interest as your custom audiences. You may exclude some people, for example, in a particular group, or include people who like a particular group. For example, what was Kimra's I was looking for a group and it's not showing up. Anyway, let's see. Let's go to locations first. So everyone in, since we're not targeting people in the Philippines, for example, we're targeting Australia. Oops. Why don't we just type Australia? There. So it's going to blast in whole Australia. For example, women only, ages 18 to 65, languages is English. Interest, people who likes, you can put in the kind of the industry that you've chosen. For example, your industry is, let's say, who likes health and fitness. Health and fitness magazines there. You can add health coaches. You can add more. Let's say organic. Oops, not showing up. Organic food. And then you will be adding healthy lifestyle. See, you can get as many people. You can target as many people who likes this particular interest. Language, if we have this. Let's go back. There's some things that we need to have. Everyone in this location. We're not excluding anyone. I was hoping we can online business. It's not showing up. Include people who are in at least one of the following. Online selling. It's not giving me. It's not giving me anything, so let's skip that part. During our live demo, we're going to dig deeper into this one. We're not excluding anyone. Expand your detailed targeting traditional, likely to improve performance. Let's hit that. Connections. People who like your page. And then you can add the page, for example, this page. You can add another page if you're managing a lot of pages, or if your client is managing a lot of pages. And also friends of people who like your page. You can also try to do that. And you can hit save this audience. Wait, let's see. Automatic placement. Placements, by the way, is where your ads will show up. For example, are they going to show up in Facebook, in Instagram, in Messenger? In this case, we didn't hit Instagram, so it's just in Facebook, Audience Network, and in Messenger, just to maximize everything. And then it will show up on Facebook feeds, Marketplace, video feeds at the right column, and we didn't hit Instagram Explore. Messenger inbox. Stories, yes, Facebook stories, Instagram stories. So here, you can target where your ads will show up. Okay, these are all the other options. All mobile devices, you have to hit that. Android devices only, iOS only. So you can target if your customers are using Android only or iOS only. At least you can target all of them. not only connected to Wi-Fi because some are using their data. Exclude content, we're not excluding anything. I think we're done with putting in the audience. We need to select a page. All of the pages that I managed are showing up. So I chose this page, for example, and my Instagram account, because we tried to, we chose Instagram as well, right? And then the ad name, let's see, it's the PH for social media course. We can create ad one, because we might create 2 ads, right? Or 3 or 4. And then it's just going to be that way. Review, if you hit review and publish, then this one will be published right away. But hold on. No, not yet. We're not yet done setting up. Create an ad, single image or video. This is where you're going to choose if the ad will be single image, just one image, or one video, a carousel. If it's going to be a carousel, you're going to see it this way. Remember Lazada, where you can choose to scroll on the different images that you have. It's going to ask you to, you know, grab different kinds of images. But for this particular lesson, let's click a single image or video. Full screen mobile experience, let me check that. I think it's fetching. That's why it's asking me to review and publish right away. It's fetching some previous ads that I created. Let's not remove, let's not include this one. Okay. And then it's asking me to choose an image. So this is where we're going to add our creatives. Select image. It should be there. It should comply with their requirement, with their specific requirement. So let's see, I hope it'll pick it up without the need of cropping or anything. There. Oh, I think I have to. But it's fine for now. It's just for demo purposes anyway. Because the other 2 people with me are not being seen. Ha ha ha. All right. Primary text, the text that will appear at the bottom. This one, the headline. This is where the primary text. Digital jobs PH will be in my list that let's see how it will look. Oh, there. It's not going to be here. All right. So the primary text is the one above. So this is the snippets. The primary text is what would appear in our snippets. Let's see. Oops. And then headline. Oh, headline is here. Okay. Headline is, for example, social media course for free. Free social media course. Let's change it. Free social media course. Oops. Niveles Bata. So I think there's already Mariveles, but I'm there. Let's just remove that. Free social media course. for free social media course to help you earn home, something like that. Let's see. Free social media course to help you earn from home. So earn from, let's just say, dollars, like that. Free social media course to help you earn dollars. There. And then the description. PICT is offering a free social media course. Oops. I'm just playing with words here and it should be ready. Offering free social media course for those who want to earn dollars from home. I think maybe this one is good if we're gonna put it up here. Let's see. See, there you go. It's better. We can add more. This is where we should add more words, at least 150 characters, 3 sentences. Use hashtags, use emojis. Make sure that the copy is compelling. And description can be, since it's optional, we can create one or not. A DICT sponsored training for online professionals and aspirants. Just like that. And then destination. Of course, our sample copy is just very simple. But if you're going to create your own ad, of course, the copy should be more than this one. Professionals. We need to send them to a URL. For example, rivera.com/ let's say services. And then display link could be this one too. Or the bit.ly, the shortened version. Call to action could be learn more. Or you can try enroll now or whatever. Let's see. Book now, apply now. So there will be an apply now here. There. So we changed already. Stories customization. Let's see what that is. Oh, top color and then bottom color. You can edit the colors. Let's see. Color. You can put your what do you call it? Your branding colors. Let's just see what it would look like. It's not going to be here, I think. It's only in stories background color. So let's not play with that anymore. These are the tracking options, but we're not tracking any ads right now. We're just going to set it up. So this is how you create ads. These are the most important. Let's see. Let me take a screenshot of each. show you what it looks like. It would appear as sponsored ad. Like that. Okay, and then your options are here. Let's take a screenshot of that. And then of course the destination. Oops. Take a screenshot so we can use that in our slides. Okay, so this is just it. And plain and simple, we can already review and then publish the ads. So it's just it. Just make sure, guys, that before you ask a client to create an ad, make sure that their website, their business is ready, that they're ready, because once you publish an ad and all the orders are coming up, they have to be ready to supply the demand for the products or for the service demands. Okay, so that's our lesson for today, and we will be discussing more lessons in the future, and I hope, guys, that you learned something new today. If you have questions, just message me. All right, thank you so much. Goodbye.